Hello friend, welcome to Take Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about why these are the 10 least visited US national parks. So let's start my video. Summary: Great Basin National Park remote location and spotty mobile access make it less popular. The best time to visit is spring for wildflowers. Dry Tortugas National Park accessible only by sea or air from Key West, leading to favor visitors. The best time to visit is November to April. Warangal St. Elias National Park accessible by unpaved roads, making it a less explored. The best time to visit is May through mid September. With its massive size and diverse microclimates and landscape, the USA boasts some of the world's most breathtaking and impressive national parks, 63 to be exact, spanning mountains, deserts, coastlines, and forests, and offering a wide array of recreational activities for all ages and endurance levels. Some parks require advanced reservations and timed entry during peak travel season, thought especially one with some of the top rated scenic hikes in the country. Will the Great Smoky Mountains remains the most visited national park. Others often fly under the radar per USA Today. Here is an overview of the 10 least visited national parks, their highlights, and the best times to explore them. Great Basin National Park, Nevada. Annual visitors 142,115. Located near the border with South, Great Basin National Park in one of the oldest national parks in the country, with a fascinating history, 800 species of plants, and great opportunities for hiking, strategizing, caving, and camping. And yet it is not all that popular due to its remoteness. It's a 4-hour drive from Salt Lake City, and spotty mobile, making it somewhat dangerous in bad weather or in the event of an emergency. House 17 per 74 point per second. Cost free. Best time to visit spring for wildflowers on and bird spotting. Trails: Brist Locan Pine Glacier Trail, moderate 3.7 miles, around 2 hours. Lemon Caves and Mountain View, easy 0.4 miles, 10 minutes. Warning: the weather is prone to quick and sudden changes, especially to at high elevations. Dry Tortugas National Park, Florida. Annual visitors 78 488. Located 70 miles west of Key West, a cluster of 7 islands make up the Dry Tortugas National Park, boosting wondrous coral reefs, birds, and mysterious shipwrecks. Sink its only accessible by sea or air from Key West, and the average cost is $190 for the ferry and $371 for the seaplane. It's no wonder it don't get more visitors. Hours 24 per 7. Assist $15 adult, 7 consecutive days. Camping not included. Camping fee $15 night side. Best time to visit November to April. Trial: Bush Key Trail, easy 0.9 miles, 15 minutes. Warning: the seaplane only carries 10 people and sells out months in advance. Varangial St. Elias National Park and preserve in south central Alaska. Annual visitors 65 236. Varangal St. Elias National Park and Preserve leads 210 miles east of Anchorage and accessible by two unpaved and bumpy roads. This is primarily why this majestic rugged, mountainous and wild park often flies under the radar. It spans a whopping 13.2 million acres with a diverse secondary that includes glaciers, rainforests, and volcanoes, and offers multiple trekking, seeking, fly fishing, and after opportunities. There is even an old copper mine that became a ghost town by 1938. Hour 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Cost free. Best time to visit. Midway, 3rd mid September. Easy trails. Boreal Forest Loop and Valdez Trail. 1.2 miles, 27-minute west. Conicot Glacier 2.4 miles, 1 hour, 8 minutes. Note that the Malaspina Glacier is larger than the state of Rhode Island. Katmai National Park and Preserve in southern Alaska. Annual visitors 333 908. Katmai National Park and Preserve is only accessible by float plane from Anchorage, making it a little difficult to explore, not to mention that the risk of volcanic eruption and earthquakes has reduced the number of visitors to extreme adventures. Wildlife photographers and filmmakers still the Brock's full spot is of international renown for attracting scores of bears during the salmon runs. Hours 24 per 7. Cost free. Best time to visit June thought September. Easy trials. Brock's Fall Trail 2.4 miles 25 minutes. Cultural site trial 0.5 miles 11 minutes. Tip. Brock's Lodge Inn is the only hotel in the area at $1,125 for people night. North Cascades National Park, Washington. Annual visitors 3,154. Located 3 hours from Seattle and featuring lush forested villas, 500 serene lakes, and over 300 glacier. North Cascades National Park is home to grizzly bears, wolves, marmots, Mose Mountain goats, and 200 species of birds. Since only one road within the park is paved, it's not exactly a family or commuter friendly location, hence its limited number of explorers. Hours 24 per 7. Cost free. Best time to visit mid June and late September. Moderate trails. Old Wagon 9.4 miles, 4 hours 38 minutes. Cascade Pass 7 miles, 3 hours 53 minutes. Note: backcountry campaign requires a $26 permit. Is Isle Royale International Park in southwest Alaska. Annual visitor 25,454. Nestled in is the middle of Lake Superior and known for its gorgeous broadleaf and configure conifer forest, and for its timber, wolf, and moose populations. Isle Royale National Park is a remote island exclusively reachable by ferry, $160 round trip, or seaplane from $236, hence its reduced number of visitors. It is also subject to extreme conditions in winter, and that is why it is only open 7 months a year. However, April 16 to October 31, 10 a.m. to 4 or 5 p.m. Cost $7 per person per day. Best time to visit June to September. Easy trials. Desi Farm 3.8 miles 1 hour 38 minutes. Wash Windigo Nature 1.2 miles 28 minutes. Lake Clark National Park and Preserve. Annual visitors 18,187. Lake Clark National Park and Preserve is a scenic, remote and wild park only accessible by boat or bush plane, hence its reduced proper popularity. Those who are lucky not to make it there will enjoy snow showing and tricky and marvel at the Grizzlies, Salmon streams, majestic glaciers and sparkling turquoise lakes. 8 hours 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Cost free. Best time to visit late spring to early fall. Easy trail. Beaver Pond Lob 3.4 miles per hour 33 minutes. Tip: Regal Air offers flights from Anchorage plus lounge plus park tour from $1,075 per person. Kobuk Valley National Park in Kotzebue, Alaska. Annual visitors 16,925. It is hard to miss reindeer in Lapland, which is also the most magical place to enjoy a real life Arctic Christmas. But they can also to be seen in the 1.7 million acre Kobuk Valley National Park. At least 2 lakh caribous migrate throughout the park, north in spring and south in autumn. Recreational activities for visitors include boating, fish, sightseeing, and camping, but the site itself, it's only accessible by plane from Anchorage to Kotzebue or from Fairbanks to Battles, and then by air taxi and either town. Hours 24 per 7. Cost free. Best time to visit mid June to late July for wildflowers. Trails Kobu Giant Sand Dunes hard 14.6 miles 5 hours 22 minutes. Warning: hydrothermia is possible even in summer. Gates of the Arctic National Park and Preserve in northern Alaska. Annual visitor 9,457. Which rugged roads and no established trails and campsites. The 8.4 million acre gates of the Arctic National Park and Preserve is exactly a popular recreational sports, and it's accessible via a gravel road from the town of Leavengood or by air from Fairbanks. The rugged mountains, glaciated valleys, and tundra slopes mostly draw experienced backcountry travelers looking for remote and invigorating fishing, trekking, rafting, snowing, skiing, and wildlife sighting experiences. However, 24 per 7, cost free, best time to visit summer. Trial Argided Pike at a difficult 27.7 miles out and back. National Park of American Samoa in Vatia, American Samoa. Annual visitors 188,887. American Samoa is one of the most stunning and yet overlooked American territories, and its national park is stretched on three islands in the South Pacific. Is known for its clear water, rich marine life, soft sandy beaches and jungles. It is an ideal spot for snorkeling and trekking, but it is only accessible via Hawaiian Airlines radar than private or public vehicles. However, 24 point per 7. Cost free. Best free to visit April to October. Easy trial. Pola Iceland trial 0.6 miles 16 minutes. Warning. Camping is strictly फॉरबिडन ऑन पार्क ग्राउंड्स। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।